Now let us come to the animation part. Here we'll discuss about all the cell organelles with the animation. So now I'm going to play the animation here. You can see that here this is the nucleus. So the nucleus, it plays very important role in the plant cell. It is also called as the cell's control room. So Robert Brown in 1831 he discovered the nucleus, and it is going to control all other cell organelles of the plant cell. Now next, when you come to the other cell organelles, now later on we will come to the one more cell organelle. Now just we'll enter into nucleus. Again, inside the nucleus we are going to find one more organelle called as the nucleolus. So what is the function of nucleolus? In this nucleolus we are going to find the DNA. So it is a genetic material, and next mainly it helps in the cell division. And next we'll move to the other cell organelle. Okay, so you can see that here is one small dots like structures are coming out. Okay, that is called a ribosome. The ribosome is mainly meant for the protein synthesis. So now next we'll move to one more cell organelle, that is the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm is a fluid fill. It contains all other cell organelles in the plant cell. So now next we'll move to the one more cell organelle, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, which contains all the ribosomes. So the reticulum which contains ribosomes are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the endoplasmic reticulum which does not contain any ribosomes are called as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, this is the Golgi body. Okay, the function of the Golgi body is mainly it is going to pack the substances and transport the substance to all other parts of the cell. Next, we'll move to the mitochondria. The mitochondria plays very important role in the plant cell. It is helpful mainly in the cellular respiration, and it is also called as the powerhouse of the cell. Next, we'll move to one more cell organelle, that is called as the cell membrane. The cell membrane is the layer which is going to surround the plant cell. So mainly, next we are going to discuss about cell wall. The cell wall is the layer which is going to protect the plant cell. You can find the cell wall structure in the interior view. So this is about the cell wall function. Next, we'll come to the one more cell organelle. You can see the green color structure is called as the chloroplast. So what is the function of chloroplast? Mainly they are helpful in the photosynthesis. They trap the solar energy and they convert into the chemical energy. So this is a vacuole. It is the bigger in structure and is filled with water. Okay, now let us come to the different parts of the cell. So now we'll see all the parts. So we discussed that cell nucleus. The cell nucleus which plays very important to the plant cell. So what is the function of cell nucleus? I told you already. It mainly it is also called as the control room of the cell. And next we discuss one more part, that is nothing but the mitochondria. So the mitochondria is also called as the powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria is called as the powerhouses of the cell. Next, when you come to the chloroplast plays very important role in the photosynthesis. So these are some of the important parts of cell where they are going to play very important role. I hope you understood the session. Thank you.